Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing OYO Hotel Bald Knob AR Highway 64. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. OYO Hotel Bald Knob AR Highway 64 is offering accommodations in Bald Knob. The property is located 12 miles from Harding University, a 10-minute walk from Bald Knob and 1.4 miles from Bald Knob Municipal Airport. The property provides a 24-hour front desk as well as free Wi-Fi throughout the property. At the hotel, each room has air conditioning and a TV. Midway is 2.9 miles from OYO Hotel Bald Knob AR Highway 64, while Liberty Valley is 3.7 miles away. The nearest airport is Clinton National Airport, 62 miles from the accommodation. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.